means we don't have any leaves. Well, some. I hope we're not breaking into a bird. Daddy. Daddy.
Hi, Jamie. We're knocking down the leaves of our Christmas tree. Not Christmas tree.
I hope it didn't get stuck again.
It's on the floor.
I hope it didn't.
It almost hit me in the face.
Hello. I need to wake up. Hi. That's sweet. Oh, crazy. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Yeah. Guys, let's all be in a picture.
Is this fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
And when I threw it, I wasn't balanced, so I did this. I did.
Hello, Sophie. She likes it. You like it? You like it? Yeah. Yeah.
Not her head, Piper.
Gracie. Gracie.